Good morning, and good morning. What's happening with y'all, Snap? Damn. So y'all remember that squash and basil that I just planted a couple days ago? No more than 2 days ago, right? Yo, the basil's already germinating. No lie. I'm not talking like one spot. I'm not talking two spots or three. They busting through here. So that's dope as hell, right? But something different that we're doing this year. We are planting by different phases of the moon. Different phases of the moon allows for more moisture to come up towards the surface whenever you plant your seed. So therefore, the whole germination process is a lot easier. However, if you go the opposite and somehow, you know, plant your seed in the wrong phase of the moon, sometimes that seed will still germinate, sometimes it'll still grow out, but it's gonna, depending on when it is, sometimes it may tend to dry rot. And you may not even understand like why. Hey, bro. Hey, better check what phase of the moon it is. So that's my farming, gardening secret tip for today. Hey, you only get one. Don't y'all come hit my DMs asking me a whole bunch of other questions now. You only get one. Hit me up tomorrow about the next one.